Guys, we got a 2023 GMC Acadia. So we removed the seat. I'm going to be installing the kickers, hideaways, amplifier and speaker built in. So everything's small. I mean, this is only like a 12 gauge type looking wire. So we ran it over there. We made a small hole right there because it was pretty tough, and I had to spray some W40 right here to pull it through. But best thing to do is get you a right bits, a thicker bit for like maybe a ½ inch. I have a smaller one right there. I'm not sure what size this is. I think this is over a quarter inch, something like that. So I'm gonna be running the speaker wire from taking this speaker to my wiring right there. I'm not trying to cut anything yet because I might have to go to this amplifier. The amplifier is in here somewhere. I don't know exactly where it's at because this is my first time doing the 2023. I guess I don't see anybody putting on YouTube, so I'm gonna try to do it. If it sounds good, it's perfect. If it doesn't, we'll let you know. And I think that yellow and yellow black is a speaker wire. I'm not sure. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna cut this zip tie right there. It's kind of early morning. Honestly like lost, didn't know what's this called earlier. But anyway, I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna take a knife, razor blade, and take this out. Make sure you're not hitting the wire, anything like that. In order to do this, I'm gonna put the white black and the gray black together. That is a negative, and then the gray and white together, that's a positive. I'm gonna plug it to this male quick insulated plug right here. Just make sure the white and gray is solid. Go into one. Don't mix this thing up because then you realize you don't know what's going on with it. You might have no sound or something else might happen. So make sure you have it. The one with the black stripe, go with the black stripe right there. Basically, you just combine it. And then I'm gonna use a male quick disconnect, male T-tab right here. I'm gonna crimp it to this one right there. Yellow be positive, yellow black is negative. So put in the wire and then crimp them. So I use a sand paper or a brush this out to the bare metal like that, and gonna put the ground right there with two soft tapper screw. Here's a soft tapper screw right there, screw to the metal, just like so right here. And you don't need a remote for this model because it's already got its own remote output already. So you can cut this and tape this off, this blue wire, and that little power wire all the way here. Fuse it up right here and into here. This is 10 millimeter. Here is the wire. I'm gonna use this tape. It's a cloth tape. They call it black hole, but I forgot exactly the name of it, but I do. It's kind of electrical tape. That's what a lot of the newer car, they tape this using this. I'm gonna tape it about a foot. Now we just plugged it in here, and like I said, when the music come on, it should come on right on too. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna remove this passenger side front. This is number 8. Just take a flat hat and pop it out, and then take number 8 right there. It looks like 8, maybe it could be 7. I'm gonna try 8 and see what works. I'm gonna take both of them out. Yeah, it's number 8. So take the other one out. Now making sure your hand is very clean. I probably had to clean a little bit more. You don't want to touch it and get imprint right there. So clean my hand a little bit because he was working on running that power wire, get dirty. So to be able to pull it out a little bit, the wire is gonna go this way. So I'm gonna be doing this side also because I'm gonna have to take that one out most likely. But I'm gonna try one of these first right here, but still I'm gonna take this out right here. So it was tough. So I'm gonna show you what first you wanna do. You wanna pull this red switch right here, and then you need a hook, like a hook, and push it down, and then you pull it out. And if you don't, I mean, depending on how small your thumb is, it's gonna be tough. It took me a little bit to get them out.